Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I managed to install APK files on my iPhone using an app called iAPK. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to run Android apps on iOS, you'll definitely want to stick around for this. So first, let me open up the app. As you can see, iAPK basically gives you a way to install and run these apps directly on iOS. The interface is pretty straightforward, and everything is laid out in a way that makes it easy to use. Now, to prove that this actually works, I'm going to open HappyMod, which is originally an Android app. Normally, you wouldn't be able to run something like this on an iPhone, but here it is. As you can see, it launches and works just like it would on an Android device. That's what makes this method so interesting. One of the best things about this process is how simple it is. You don't need a computer, you don't need to jailbreak your phone, and you don't have to deal with any complicated setup. Everything can be done right from your device. All you really need to do is follow along with the steps I show in this video. By the time you reach the end of this video, you'll be able to install and run APK apps on your iPhone yourself. So let's get started and jump right into it. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser. In my case, it's Safari. And go to the website called pluginrise.com. Pluginrise is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for iAPK and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.